Well, good Thursday evening, May the 7th, Chem II. I want to talk about functional groups. There are many functional groups. Each year I get to cover a few. This year being the crazy year that it is, I'm only going to do alcohols for you, primarily because you've heard of them. An alcohol is OH. So what happens is the OH replaces one of the hydrogens, but then we keep our prefixes. So for example, if I had methane, take one of the hydrogens and put an OH in there, then I have methanol. If I have ethane, and I'll just show you OH here, I'll put the hydrogen in. I know we're kind of getting out of that habit, which I personally think is a good thing. Obviously, then we have, it doesn't matter which carbon, and so we have ethane or ethanol. And if we have 3, then we have a little situation on our hand. Whoops. Because I can put the alcohol group in any one of 2 spots. Okay, so let me do this one real fast. So obviously these are 2 different molecules. So how do we name them? Well, just like we've done other functional groups. So this is 1 propanol. This would be 2 propanol. Now sometimes you'll see a name of an alcohol when the OH is attached to the end of it. It's called normal. So you might see N-propanol. The only other common name that you will ever have to worry about is in 2-propanol. This alcohol group here on the second carbon, sometimes that is called the iso, and so you know it as isopropyl alcohol or isopropanol. That's what you buy at the grocery store or wherever. That's what everybody's been using so much of in hand sanitizer. That and ethanol both. Both will work. All alcohols are poisonous. You say, wait a minute, Reed, I know what you do in the basement, right? Ethanol is the least poison. Okay, it's the one that people drink. Methanol, that's what happens if you don't know what you're doing when you're trying to make ethanol. Methanol, if it doesn't kill you, it'll literally make you blind. You may have heard the term blind drunk. Well, it comes from people that drank methanol and it basically destroyed their vision. Propanol, 2-propanol again, isopropyl alcohol. Anything else then? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not going to put the hydrogen in. Okay, so that would be 1 butanol. 2, 3, 4. This would be 2 butanol. And we can't do any more. If I put on this carbon, it's still 2 butanol. On this carbon, it's still 1 butanol. So you'd have 2 isomers for that one. Obviously, if you get to pent, then you could have 1 pentanol, 2 pentanol, 3 pentanol. So that's how you do functional groups. I'm going to put a worksheet also on this Canvas page, and I'm going to have the answers to it. And then that'll be just help you to get a handle on that. Then Tuesday there'll be an assignment I'll collect, and then Friday be our last assignment, and it'll kind of be a combination of all that we had so far. So good luck with this. I know that it's crazy trying to learn this when I'm not there to show you, but so far it looks like for the most part you're doing well. Hang in there, only a couple weeks to go. All right, bye.